Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Liberation through Renunciation, Chapter 18, Shloka 47. Better is one's own duty, though destitute of merits, than the duty of another, well performed. He who does the duty ordained by his own nature incurs no sin.
Chapter 18, Shloka 47. Shreyan swadharmo vigunah paradharmat swanushtitat swabhavaniyatam karma kurvannapnoti kilbisham.
Chapter 18, Shloka 47. Lord Krishna clears the honest doubt in Arjuna's mind. And yet, why should not go and meditate? Everything has a purpose. Not only the good, but the bad also are his manifestations and serve his purpose. Nothing is to be condemned, none to be despised. Everything is he, and he alone is. To work in any field ordered by one's vasanas is better, as then there is a chance of exhausting the existing vasanas. If one strives in a field contrary to the existing vasanas, he not only fails to exhaust the existing vasanas, but creates a new load of vasanas in his temperament, which in their maturity might force him to strive, to seek, to achieve and indulge. The swabhava of each one cannot destroy him, like the deadly poison in the fangs of serpent never kills the serpent. We must employ our minds in fields which are according to our nature. Everyone has a precise place in the scheme of created things. Everybody is important, and as each one can do something which others cannot do so, well, Lord's creation is a perfect field for our growth. We can live his laws and grow. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.